This is going to be really fun as well as a lot of informative session that is going to be happening. And we are happy to welcome our host, Sivagami Ramiah now. Sivagami Ramiah is the founder of ByteQuest, a startup that democratizes access to AI-powered solutions. Shiva firmly believes in that more women and people of color in AI are needed to combat gender, racial, and other bias and make AI more inclusive and trustworthy. Welcome, Shiva.
Thank you, Meena. Welcome all to the Girls in AI Global Hackathon 2021 in San Francisco, hosted by Teens in AI and ByteQuest. We are all here today to celebrate International Women's Day, not just by talking about women's right in education, employment, and leadership, but by joining hands to create a unique opportunity to girls between 12 through 18 explore the world of artificial intelligence that's transforming the world we are living at a rapid pace, starting from driverless cars to virtual assistants that control the appliances in our home. AI is the future, but where are women? AI algorithms, AI recruiting tools discriminate against women. Facial recognition software discriminate against people of color. The current AI systems promote gender and racial bias at a very large scale. Why is this happening? There is a gender diversity crisis in the AI workforce. Women only make up a very tiny part of the AI workforce, just 20%. So girls, if you want a bias-free, discrimination-free world, you need to be part of that AI workforce. So this Girls in AI Hackathon is here to provide you with all the necessary resources, tools, and ideas for you to take your very first step in creating an AI solution that is fair and discrimination-free. We have lots of passionate mentors across different time zones with amazing industry experience, spending their weekend just to guide you along with this journey. Your mentor could be a CEO or a VP of a company. Your mentor could be a data scientist, a product manager, or a PhD research scholar. So please make best use of their time. We are super excited to announce that NVIDIA is sponsoring Jetson Nano Dev Kits for each team member of the winning team. And not only that, actually Jetson Nano Dev Kit is very similar to a Raspberry Pi computer, but it is powerful enough to run AI workloads. Not only that, NVIDIA is generous enough to provide roundtable and mentoring session for all the top 3 winners by their Women in Tech team. So this is an amazing opportunity, girls. We received multiple queries from our participants saying that I am very new to coding. I do not have any coding experience. Can I still participate in this hackathon? The answer is absolute yes. There are multiple areas in which you could contribute. You could help your team with design thinking. You could help them with ethics, pitching, project management. There are numerous areas. And we also have a Python workshop for the beginners. So you can get your feet wet with coding. And our participants are not just from the Pacific time zone. They are from Central time zone, Eastern Standard time zone. And we also have participants from Central European time zone. And girls, we really applaud your passion and commitment to take part in this Girls in AI Hackathon. And a final word, please bond with your team. As Elena mentioned, you have to gel with your team as fast as possible. You can only succeed when your team succeeds. And it's not just about winning, it's about the wonderful learning journey, and you're all winners. Thank you.
Thank you, Shiva. That was a very nice intro it gives a broad perspective of what we are going to do for the next 2 days. And